What's up YouTube? This is TD Let's Clean, and this will be my first car that I'll be cleaning for y'all. So this is a LEXUS 2014 RX 350, and this car is dirty from top to bottom. There is dust and debris everywhere you look, in the cup holders, in the crevices, just a complete mess. Even the carpets are filthy. If you haven't already, please feel free to hit the subscribe button for me and stay tuned for more content. Let's jump into the exterior cleaning of the LEXUS. To start things off, I just did a quick pressure washing around the whole car to get any unnecessary dirt off the car. The pressure washer makes everything so much easier, as you can tell. After the quick wash, I got my foam cannon and started spraying the whole car down with some Chemical Guys car solution. This also makes life so much easier. Just quick spray and good to go. After the soap application, I went around with a detail brush to get into any crevices that are hard for my wash mitt to get to. After that was complete, I went around with my wash mitt to make sure everything was spotless. After the washing, I rinsed the car with my pressure washer, and while the car was drip drying, I was washing the wheels. Chemical Guy's Diablo wheel cleaner was what I used, and I highly recommend because it did such a great job with these dirty tires. After the wash was complete, I went around with my drying towel to make sure there was no remaining residue on the car. Here's an example of some stuck-on paint, and this paint was so hard to get off. It took me about 5 minutes to get it clean. The last step to the exterior clean was the engine bay, and in my opinion, I think I enjoyed that the most. Down in the comments, let me know what your favorite part was of the cleaning. The car is all clean now, and let's look at the results. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button for me. And just to let you know, this is part 1 out of 2. First part is exterior and part 2 will be interior. See you then.